Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a new folder in Google Drive. So first thing you have to do, open Google. So click on these dots and select Drive, and here guys you will see some options to create a new drive, to create a new folder. Click on this new, and here click on new folder. Give a name to your folder like I am giving the name for this folder testing and create it. So you have this folder now, this one testing, open it, and you can upload and download your files here. New and file upload in your folder, and select your file and open it. So this is the method guys to create a new folder in Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.